Hello, I am Judy Awong-Taylor, Professor of Biology and former Associate Dean at Gwinnett College. I'm here to introduce you to the Pulse rubrics, but first I would like to acknowledge that Gwinnett College and the surrounding towns sit on ancestral homelands of the Muskogee and Cherokee. Enslaved people likely labored on these lands as well, and so I recognize and honor those who were here before us. In this video, I will introduce you to the Pulse rubrics. The Pulse rubrics were created to assist departments in determining their progress in implementing the recommendations of the Vision and Change report. The rubrics focus on the implementation of evidence-based practices and actions that promote excellence in teaching and learning. Since they provide a comprehensive overview of a program's alignment with Vision and Change, they serve as a departmental self-assessment tool and are often used to leverage resources. They are also a useful tool for self-reflection and to encourage dialogue among faculty as a means of learning what others are doing in the department. The rubrics are divided into 6 areas. 1, curriculum alignment. 2, assessment. 3, faculty practice and faculty support. 4, infrastructure. 5, climate for change. And 6, diversity, equity, and inclusion. In total, there are 78 criteria for the Pulse rubrics. So what do we mean by criteria? To help you better understand how the rubrics work, I will provide a quick overview of the anatomy of a rubric, and this may help clear up how to use the rubrics. This example is taken from the assessment rubric. So what you see here is the first page or preface of the rubric. The preface provides a general introduction to that specific rubric and also provides instructions on how to use the rubric. Each rubric is subdivided into categories. So on this slide, you can see an example of the rubric category that deals with program level assessment. In turn, each category includes several criteria. In this case, you are viewing criterion D7 that focuses on the use of data on program effectiveness. Beneath the criterion is the context of that particular criterion. The context describes what the criterion addresses and often will include references with live links as well. Below the context are the possible scores that a department can achieve. Scores can range from 0 or baseline all the way to 4, which represents exemplar status. The columns below provide the score descriptors that help you determine your department's status or scoring level. And finally, but very important, is a place for you to provide a justification of the department's consensus score. The key word here is consensus. We ask for departments to provide consensus scores of the entire department, not individual scores, not average scores, not partial scores. So consensus scores are developed by a department getting together over a series of meetings and discussing each criterion and then determining a consensus score for that criterion. And this is not an easy task. Not all faculty will be in agreement, since not everyone will likely know the details of everything that happens within a department. For many, it can be a struggle to grasp the full picture of what goes on within a department. However, it is a very important first step in moving a department forward. We know that completing the full Pulse rubrics can be a big lift for some departments. And so, as such, we have created the snapshot rubric to allow faculty and administrators to gain a quick overview of the alignment of their life science program with some of the major elements of the recommendations of the Vision and Change report. So the snapshot rubric includes key elements from the 6 full rubrics and has a total of 21 criteria. Many departments use the snapshot rubric to begin dialogue, faculty are asked to complete the rubric on their own and then meet to discuss their scores. The snapshot rubric is commonly used in the ambassadors program, ambassadors workshops, and also during the Pulse regional workshops. Completing the full rubrics is required during Pulse recognition visits. So as a reminder, the Pulse rubrics are available to anyone who wishes to use them. As shown here, you can download any of the 6 individual rubrics, or you can download the combined packet or just the snapshot rubric. You can do this by going to the Pulse website, and once at the website, you will be asked to submit your email address. We request this information so we can see who's using the rubrics. If you have any questions about the rubrics or the recognition program, please check out our other videos on the Pulse website, and good luck to you as you continue to use the Pulse tools and participate in the Pulse programs to improve your student experience. Thank you.